Hello everyone! Today, I want to talk about a fantastic supplement that can help you achieve the perfect flat belly Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic. This potent blend of natural ingredients is designed to aid in weight loss, improve digestion, and promote a healthy sense of well-being. Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic contains a unique combination of natural extracts and vitamins that have been shown to support weight loss and digestive health. Some key ingredients in this supplement include ginger root, turmeric, cayenne pepper, and paprika. These ingredients are known for their natural ability to aid digestion, reduce bloating, and promote a feeling of fullness. In addition to these natural ingredients, Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic also contains caffeine, a stimulant that can help jumpstart your metabolism and increase your energy levels. This can help on those busy days when you need a little extra motivation to move. As with any weight loss supplement, it's important to remember that results may vary and everyone's body is different. If you want to achieve a healthier and more flattering belly, Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic could be the perfect addition to your weight loss routine. Just make sure you follow the recommended dosage and combine it with a healthy diet and regular exercise for optimal results. In conclusion, Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is a natural supplement that can help promote weight loss by improving digestion and promoting a feeling of fullness. With its unique blend of ingredients, it could be the perfect addition to your weight loss journey. Give it a try and see the difference it can make in your overall well-being.